Do you want to achieve financial freedom quickly? Well, buckle up as we dive into the steps needed to build an effective financial plan that will help you do just that. First and foremost, setting financial goals is crucial. What do you want to achieve with your finances? Are you looking to invest efficiently, or is your aim to pay off debts? Take a moment to clearly write down these goals. They will serve as your roadmap to financial freedom. Next, you need to analyze your current financial situation. This involves reviewing and examining your monthly income and expenses. Are there areas where you can cut back? Are you spending too much on things you don't need? Identifying these areas can help improve your financial health significantly. Once you've done that, if you have any debts, you need to create a debt repayment plan. Debts can be a major roadblock on your path to financial freedom. The sooner you can pay them off, the quicker you'll reach your financial goals. Now, let's talk about smart investing. This is where you look for investment opportunities that align with your financial goals. Remember, good investments can help you grow your finances rapidly, so be sure to choose wisely. Another crucial step is building an additional income source. Is there a side job you can take on? Or perhaps you have skills that you can leverage to generate extra income. This can significantly speed up your journey to financial freedom. Finally, commitment to the plan and gradual progress is key. Stick to your financial plan and consistently track your progress. It may seem tedious at times, but remember, the journey to financial freedom is a marathon, not a sprint. So there you have it, the steps to building an effective financial plan. It's time for you to take action. Start your journey towards financial freedom today by laying out a clear and logical financial plan. Remember, financial independence is not a distant dream, but a goal that can be achieved with the right plan and determination.